Hello everyone, this is Mark. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove lens. The lens was inside the nozzles. The lens was inside the nozzles, and this is the focus lens. The kind of lens was burned out because laser fire on the dust left on the lens. In this kind of lens, we cannot use it anymore, so we need to replace it. This lens is a brand new lens. Looks very nice. To remove the lens, we need a kind of pliers and at a range of the 2.5 millimeters. To remove the laser cone, we need first remove the autofocus. The green one is the autofocus limit switch by the two screws. And then we'll need to remove the black air hose. After that, we'll unlock the rings, the locking rings, counterclockwise. This is the country and the lens was inside the laser cone. Okay, so I will remove as we told just now. Now remove the limit switch from the back side. Okay. You can put the limit switch away and leave it as is. The next thing we'll do is to remove the air hose, the black one, just the blue ring. We push it down and pull out the air hose, and that's it. After that, we use the plier to release the rock ring counterclockwise. When you feel it can release the laser comb this way. Okay. That's the inside appearance. And we use another plier as we did to remove the mirror. Close. This is the lens inside the laser nozzle. We still have one locking rings and the washer inside to keep the lens safe there. So I use this plier again. When you feel it's tight, we release a bit, and then I can use just one tip, and then rotate it quickly. Okay. I will put in on the clean clothes. Now we can see the lens was there. And that's all for the video to remove the lens.